Distribution JL Baril started back in 1986. It's my parents that started the company. Originally, my mother was working for her dad in a hardware store, retail store, and they had building material, but they also had a plumbing section. And my mother was offering the different product that they had to some of her customers, and she realized that there were not that many. And she felt that the consumers were asking for more and more higher end and good looking product, and she was disappointed of not having the right product to offer. So that's how she actually decided to start a company. So they did the process of finding money, partners, and all of it. They had in themselves the desire to bring something beautiful to the market, but also they were listening to the market. They saw an opportunity there of more higher end product and everything, and they choose right for the market. So they went to Italy, it's called the Cersei Fiera. At the time, it was one of the most popular one for higher end product. They had the product stock here. Actually, here we're in Trois-Rivières, but it was a neighborhood close by called Saint-Narcisse. And so they had a warehouse over there, and they stock all of the product.
J'ai travaillé dans l'entreprise familiale longtemps. Je me suis mariée et mon mari aussi aimait les affaires. Alors tous les deux, on s'occupait de l'entreprise de la famille Thibault. Notre département préféré, c'était vraiment la plomberie et robinetterie. On ne trouvait pas sur le marché ce qu'on voulait offrir aux gens parce que moi et mon mari, on aimait les belles choses, les bijoux. Puis on voulait offrir quelque chose de beau qui soit dans les maisons et qui nous représente en fin de compte. Jacques avait été celui qui allait vers les clients, chercher la clientèle, et moi je faisais l'administration. On s'est toujours bien entendu. Quand venait le choix de faire la robinetterie, on avait les mêmes goûts. Alors c'était facile à faire le choix. Il y avait cette complicité entre nous qui était magique. Alors c'est sûr, on était un couple, puis on était dans l'entreprise beaucoup d'heures par semaine avec les enfants et tout ça. Alors ce fut un temps extraordinaire, magnifique, jusqu'au départ de mon mari en 1995. Par la suite, j'ai continué seule, les enfants étaient encore étudiants, mais eux, ça allait de soi qu'ils voulaient s'en venir dans l'entreprise. Alors c'était mon cadeau d'avoir les enfants qui poursuivent l'entreprise. Et chez nous, c'était ça. Les clients, c'était du bonbon, c'était du plaisir avec les clients. Et alors ici, on a voulu donner cette essence-là à l'entreprise. Alors nos clients, on veut garder leur fidélité et nous y sommes fidèles aussi.
On est parti d'importateurs, assembleurs, concepteurs à vraiment manufacturier. Fait que ça à travers les 30 dernières années. Mais ça fait, là, je dirais, une quinzaine d'années que Baril, son objectif, c'est vraiment de standardiser nos pièces, d'avoir des produits uniques à nous aussi. C'est ce qui fait une différence, que ce soit en design, mais que ce soit aussi en technique, le côté technique. Puis une des choses qu'on retient, en fait, je pense, historiquement de Baril, Et de la base de l'entreprise, c'est le désir du beau, puis le désir de la qualité, puis du haut de gamme. Fait que c'est ça qui a passé à travers les années de l'entreprise, puis qui fait qu'on est encore, je pense, vivant et présent aujourd'hui. So the vision of Baril is to be the most referred brand of water accessories design in the world. And with Baril, that's where we are. We want to manufacture very quality product, high-end, unique, bring something different in the market. So we are in the process of growing and expanding still in the North American market, but developing really strong partnership with our customers. One of the things actually that is very important in the Baril development was the relationship that we have with many of our suppliers, business partners, customers. We're really into the long-term relationship. So we want to build something important and great with them. So we grow together and we bring a beautiful product into people's homes.
In product development, my role is to help the designer finding the best way to complete the faucet. So I need all the knowledge and all the expertise from the supplier, vendors, and our expertise to develop and find the best components to make sure the ideas of the designers can be created. So we have the faucet that meets the customer's requirement. We are a small team in R&D and we have different expertise from within all the people around. We can choose easily and rapidly a new project. We can complete a faucet way quicker than anybody else because we are flexible, adaptable, and experienced. So we know how to develop a new faucet that can meet the customer requirement.
Chez Baril, en tant que gestionnaire de produits, c'est de faire en sorte que nos projets aboutissent et aboutissent à de beaux produits qui répondent à la fois aux besoins des clients, aux envies des consommateurs, aux tendances actuelles, mais aussi qui correspondent bien à l'enlignement de l'entreprise et à la vision. Donc on a vraiment une super équipe avec des experts qui travaillent là ici depuis longtemps, qui connaissent vraiment les problématiques produits. Donc au début, on utilise des technologies d'impression 3D, ça, on adore ça parce que c'est génial. En 3 jours, on a une idée, on la dessine à l'écran, puis en 3 jours, on tient dans notre main un objet. Donc ça, c'est vraiment le fun pour le design. Le première production, pareil, on lui fait faire toute une batterie de tests qui sont à la fois des tests de certification, mais aussi tous les tests de fonctionnalité auxquels on pense. On va faire des tests d'installation, on a des petits montages qui nous permettent d'imiter les conditions réelles. Donc vraiment, on réfléchit vraiment à une grille de tests la plus complète possible pour rien laisser passer.
We start with research. We start with a lot of research in that we're looking at that on 3 ends. We're looking at technical feasibility, so is there any new technologies out there that we want to bring into one of our faucets? We look at market. What are people liking nowadays? What are the tendencies aesthetically, form, colors, shapes? And we look at retailers. What's missing in the marketplace? Is there any little niches that we could make a faucet that'll fit? Some area that's missing. After we do all that research, we start with ideation. This goes from sketches, it goes from models. We start with a lot of ideas until we come up with a final product. We work closely with the engineers to develop all the technical aspects that are required when producing these parts. A lot of that is done on the computer. Luckily, we have CAD programs where we're able to measure, dimension, assemble parts. We can see the inside of your faucet. We catch a lot of issues that may arise simply by looking and analyzing on the computer. After that, it goes to production. Always through production, there's always issues. We work those out with our suppliers overseas, and then at the end of the day, we bring you a fully completed faucet.
So in fact, I'm in charge of the industrial design approach at Baril. My role is to work with the team inside here and decide which direction we're going to go for the innovation. Our thinking is based on solid approach and solid informations. Doing a good design is something, but doing a functional design, doing a relevant design is something really different, because we have to go through the process, but we also have to know exactly what's going to be the environment, what's going to be used, what kind of problem we already have with our products that we could change, we could innovate and ameliorate. The process brings us through a rigid structure to identify what's going to be the user's needs, what's going to be the expectations that they would like to get. We have to make sure that we bring not only a new product, but we have to bring a product which brings something into the market.
It would be about 20. We have 3 major subjects for our exhibition. First of all is to participate with our customers to promote our product. Second one is to be always aware of the new trends in the industry, but also outside of the industry in terms of new fashion trends and bring it to you. And the third one is, as we always evolve as a company, is to really find the right partners, new parts, supplier, great quality, new product, novelties in our industry, but also different industry that we could apply within our product. We introduce every year about 50 new products and about the same quantity in a new version of a product. So within our portfolio, we have the different product at different stage of development, but yearly we introduce about 50 new products, from kitchen faucet, bathroom faucet, showers, accessories, so multiplied by the different finishes they've been introduced, and some small variation as well. It was kind of difficult to calculate, but we estimated about 1,000. In between introduction of a new product, a new feature, different feature in our product, done mainly by our Baril staff and sales representative, to our customer, different influencer in the industry, so plumbers, architects and designers, but also to our retail customers, the different specialized boutiques and their employees. So we believe in training as it gives confidence into the people working with our product, and then bringing out more of the Baril brand to their customer. Baril's vision is to continuously innovate through timeless design with product of good quality, high-end and unique that brings well-being to our customers. Our ultimate goal is actually to become the most referred brand in water design accessories, to continue to develop very great product, high-end, that brings value to the customer and the user, and that are of interesting design. Second thing is to work with the right partners, both customers and different suppliers, and also to bring simplicity in our execution and our automation, bring something simple for our customer to deal with Baril.